Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you've been told that medication is your only option for controlling high blood pressure, I'm here to tell you that's not the full story. You can take powerful natural steps to support your heart, starting today. Let's dive into the secret to lowering blood pressure naturally using research-backed lifestyle and nutrition strategies. Number 1. Cut back on processed salt, but don't fear all salt. Processed foods are packed with sodium that disrupts fluid balance and strains your heart. But natural salts like Himalayan or sea salt, used in moderation, paired with a nutrient-dense diet, can support healthy blood pressure. Number 2, load up on potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps your body flush out excess sodium and eases tension in blood vessels. You'll find it in sweet potatoes, bananas, avocados, and leafy greens. Studies show it plays a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Number 3, increase foods that boost nitric oxide. Beets, pomegranates, and arugula can help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Clinical research has found that these foods can noticeably reduce systolic blood pressure in just weeks. Number 4, cut refined sugar and processed carbs. Sugar raises insulin and inflammation, which in turn raises blood pressure. In fact, studies show sugar may be even more harmful than salt when it comes to cardiovascular health. Number 5, lower stress and improve sleep. High cortisol from chronic stress constricts blood vessels and drives pressure up. Simple habits like deep breathing, walking, and better sleep hygiene can significantly reduce that burden on your heart. In my book, Eat to Heal, I detail the Aster diet, a balanced anti-inflammatory nutrition plan I developed after battling chronic fatigue, pain, and migraines. I created it out of frustration with trendy diets that only made my symptoms worse. This approach supports natural healing by reducing inflammation, balancing nutrients, and helping the body reset. And to help you get started, I'm offering a free health coach consultation. You'll get personalized guidance on how to apply the Aster diet to your specific blood pressure and wellness goals. Click the link below to get your copy of Eat to Heal and claim your free consultation today.